Yes, it has happened. FLUX 3 is free until August 17, as you can see right here. And here is the official post of FLUX 3 video number 2 in the world, after Seedance 2.5 most likely. And to celebrate, FLUX 3 video is free to use in our playground until Sunday 16. So here it says 17, probably in my country it is 17. So we have around 4 days to use it for free. Now I will show you how you can do it and how you can generate faster, because some of the generations are failing. So what you will do, you will go straight right here. I will post this link below in the description as well. So you will click here. It will automatically open your dashboard, and you will see I have already created tens of videos this morning. And for instance, you can generate something crazy. For example, this one. So this looks ultra realistic, and you can make something crazy. And I have some more examples. For example, this. The Santa Claus just falls down and turns into a cake. So these are really, really crazy. And here is another one. Just drops down, falls down, and turns into a cake. So what you will do, so I will log out to show you everything step by step. So just log in, continue with Google. Now, when you log in, you will see Quick Start dashboard. These will not be available, so you will press Quick Start, and after you do this, you will automatically be able to click on Playground. You will click here, and here you will paste your prompt. You can choose aspect ratio, duration, resolution, and what you will do, you will just press Generate. Now, this is the point. You don't have to wait for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or more than that. What you will do, you will press Generate, and if this doesn't start in the next 20 to 30 seconds, you will press Refresh, and everything is still in the place. You will just press Generate. And some of my friends have like 2 accounts. They have 2 browsers, 2 windows, and they are just refreshing, generating, refreshing, generating until the window basically jumps up, pops up that the generation is basically starting. And it should take like 20-30 seconds max. And again, if nothing is happening, as you can see, it took around like 10 to 15 seconds. And here you can see it is generating. So you don't have to wait a lot of time. If nothing's happening, just refresh it. And that's how you will be able to generate more. Don't wait to 10 minutes until something happens. Just refresh. And that's how I have been generating this morning. I have generated like tens of videos already. And if you want to get some ideas, I will put the link below in the description as well for this website that I created. Here I post all the videos I have generated, and right now there are only FLUX 3 videos, but I will create Seedance 2.5 and all of that. And you have all of the prompts for free. You will just copy prompt, paste it, try your own versions, like edit the prompt as you wish, and create your own videos. And this website is totally for free. You can also select grid mode, so it's easier to see. And I have already, I think, 28 videos, 28 prompts. There will be more of these. I will upload more and more. So yeah, you can check the website as well. And again, everything will be below in the description. I think I said everything I wanted to say. So here are the prompts, here is the playground, and here are all the parameters. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can use FLUX 3 for free and available until August 17th. So we have around 4 days. So yeah, thanks for watching.